This is Dreametech Z10 Pro, a robot vacuum and mop that empties itself. It comes with a dust disposal base and a dust bag of 4,000 milliliters to store dust for up to 2 months. There are 4 suction levels to choose from on the app. Having a vacuum with a suction of 4,000 Pascal or work as quietly as 80 decibel is totally up to you. When the power is low, it recharges itself and resumes the cleanup.
Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.
With LiDAR navigation, Z10 Pro scans your home using lasers. Through the map built on the app, you get to let it clean certain areas or skip certain areas. Whenever an obstacle is detected, it automatically goes another way. Oops, did I tell you it mops as well? Dreametech Z10 Pro, engineered by Dreamy.